Hi, good day to my future employer in Hong Kong. I am Annie Kachempo Labanon, 25 years of age, from Kasitan, Lawaan, Antique, Philippines. I am single and college graduate, took up Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. And my height is 154 centimeter and my weight is 68 kilogram. And I am fourth child among five siblings. And I don't have any body tattoos, serious illness, and skin disease. And I keep myself healthy and active learner in new things. And I am mentally and physically fit. And I describe myself as a hardworking, honest, responsible, and I am a dedicated person. And I have 4 years work experience here in the Philippines as house helper year 2019 to 2023. I serve three members of the family, including mom and sir, and their son 4 years old until he became 8 years old. And my other responsibilities are cooking, house cleaning, washing dishes, doing laundry, marketing, ironing, and tutoring their kids. And also, I can taking care of pets like dogs because I am a dog lover and I have three dogs at home. And ma'am and sir, this is my first time to work in Hong Kong, but I promise I will do my best to do all my duties and responsibilities you've given me. And I hope, ma'am and sir, you will choose me as your helper and to work with you as soon as possible. That's all, ma'am and sir. God bless and have a good day. Thank you so much.